Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by installing and signing into Excel so files sync reliably. This prevents version conflicts later. Once done, enable iCloud or OneDrive and grant storage permission. Excel needs access to save and auto-recover. Open the app and pick a blank workbook or a recent file to begin. You're ready to work with touch controls and the simplified ribbon. Make sure your account is active so templates and add-ins stay available while you edit. Now you'll enter and shape your worksheet. Tap a cell to type, use Quick Fill or drag the fill handle to extend series, and double tap to edit inline. Use the bottom toolbar, Home formats cells, FX opens formula entry, and Insert adds charts or tables, so you don't hunt menus. Once done selecting, use selection handles to copy, cut, and multi-select ranges. Make sure to pinch to zoom for accurate cell targeting. This helps when formulas reference nearby columns or dense tables. Finish by adding formulas and saving. Start with equals, use FX to pick functions, and tap suggestions to auto-complete. This reduces typos. Once done, autosave will push changes to OneDrive or iCloud. Tap File Save as when you need a local copy or PDF export. If sync or crashes occur, try force closing Excel, checking storage settings, and relogging into your account. If issues persist, restart your iPhone. That often clears permission hiccups and restores normal syncing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.